बट सन फार्मा में थोड़ी देर पहले कुछ अनाउंसमेंट आई थी और यहाँ पे लेकर लार्जली उन्होंने रेडी टू एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बैग एक ऑन्कोलॉजी ट्रीटमेंट को लेकर एक ड्रग उन्होंने लॉन्च किए थे दैट इज लार्जली रिलेटेड टू कैंसर। और इसी संदर्भ में बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ में सन फार्मा की मैनेजमेंट भी जुड़ी है। हमारे साथ है हेलेन डी कॉटल, बिजनेस हेड वेस्टर्न यूरोपियन ऑफ सन फार्मा। मैम वेलकम टू जी बिजनेस। बट लार्जली यू हैव लॉन्च्ड इन्फ्लू स्मार्ट which is first ready to administer a drug in the world. How do you intend to take it forward from here on, and what are your business plans?
First of all, it's the first bag in oncology, so I think it's important to mention. Ready to use bag in oncology, which was never the case. So we will see it already in other therapeutic areas. Now we see it as a huge opportunity for Sun Pharma. This is really a step forward for the industry. And there are many reasons why customers should switch to the bag. Like it eliminates the risk of dose calculation errors, which is a critical thing in oncology. There's reduced human intervention, so it's safer for the technicians who need to compound the drug because they don't need to compound anymore. So there's no exposure to the oncology drug, and it saves a lot of time, both for patient as well as the pharmacist. So many advantages to switch to the InfuSmart. So potentially we think that 60 to 80% could switch to this technology.
Okay, but Helen, can you give us an idea as in like how many InfuSmart products are currently there in Sun Pharma's pipeline, which are expected to be rolled out in future?
We are expecting now in the next 2 to 3 years to roll out 5 other InfuSmart oncology products in Europe. And it's all based on if a product is stable in a bag, which is the most critical thing, because we are developing products with a shelf life of 2 years. So stability in the bag is the most critical factor.
Helen, what is the market opportunity? I mean, you have said that you will be launching this InfluSmart and going forward to the rest of the region as well. But what is the market size opportunity you see from this immediately as well? Its reflection in Q1 and going forward.
This is a new product for the market itself and for the customers, so people need to get used to it. So Q1 we expect relatively slow or low number, but from then onwards, what I said before, potentially the market could switch 60 to 80% with the dosages we developed. So we think that will happen within the next 2 to 3 years.
Sure. Thank you so much, Helen de Kort, for joining with us and giving a time to Z Business. Thank you so much. And आप देख रहे थे सन फार्मा की मैनेजमेंट largely on a one of its kind oncological cancer related जो उन्होंने launch किया हुआ है, and it's a big thumbs up which the analyst has given to them.